In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use OBS Studio, focusing primarily on cropping your screen captures. Now, if you're looking to create professional quality video content, understanding how to navigate and use OBS Studio is a must. OBS Studio is a free and open source software designed for video recording and live streaming. It offers a range of capabilities that can be particularly beneficial whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting. So let's dive into the process. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official OBS Studio website and download the version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Now, with OBS Studio up and running, you will be greeted by its user-friendly interface, which at first glance might seem a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Once you're in the program, you'll want to go to your OBS Studio display. This is where all the action happens and where you'll set up your recordings or live streams. On the main interface, you'll find different panels for scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, and controls, each serving a specific function for your broadcast setup. But for today's purpose, let's focus on cropping your screen. To get started, simply click on the screen you wish to adjust. Now, you'll notice that when you do this, red outlines appear around the selected screen. These outlines are your key to cropping. They act as guides to resize or crop your display. The great thing about this feature is that it gives you the flexibility to tailor your screen capture to your exact needs. With those red outlines visible, all you need to do is hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Then click and drag the red edges inward to crop the screen as desired. For example, let's say you want to focus only on a particular section of your screen and eliminate any distracting elements. This is precisely how you'd achieve that effect. The cropping process is seamless and can be adjusted as much as you need by simply dragging the edges to your preferred dimensions. Once you're satisfied with the cropping, release the Alt key and take a step back to admire your handiwork. Make any final adjustments if necessary, and you're all set. And just like that, you're done. It's a quick and easy way to ensure your captured content is neat and organized, ready for your audience to enjoy. And there you have it, a simple introduction to cropping screens using OBS Studio. This basic yet powerful technique can significantly enhance your video production process, ensuring that what you show on screen is exactly what you intend, making your content much more engaging and visually appealing for your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering OBS Studio.